Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crack That Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha Das, and today I'm up with the day 12 of the CMAT workshop series, in which we'll be discussing some tips related to GK and the Quant section of CMAT, and I'll also share some resources from where you can practice more such questions absolutely free. But before that, let me tell you about the benefits of getting the Plus subscription from Unacademy. So if you are a Plus subscriber, you get many benefits like raising hand, posting doubts live in the class, along with the best feature, which is calling your teacher directly and getting on call and solving your doubts right there in the class. But these are the rates which are reduced rates currently, and if you use my code Priyasha10, then you would be getting an additional instant discount of 10% on these reduced rates. And to top all of this, you also have the iconic subscriptions, which makes it stand out from all the other courses offered by all the other platforms for the CAT preparation, because in iconic subscription you would be getting all the features of Plus, as well as one-on-one doubt solving sessions, one-on-one concept solving sessions, as well as one-on-one mentorship from your top B school graduates. And this is something which makes it really stand apart. And of course, the main game changer is your opportunity of booking slots according to your choice. So now if you want to study from a particular teacher at a particular time of the day, you can do it surely with the help of an iconic subscription. But right now they are running their reduced rates, guys. Very soon they are going to come up with their new rates, as you can see on the screen right now. So don't miss out this opportunity. Please use my code Priyasha10 to enroll into these subscriptions right now, so that you're entitled to get a 10% discount at a base price which is much lower than the price which they are going to come up within a few days. And yes, if you get enrolled right now, you would also be getting a complimentary campus placement course as well. So please check out the links in the description box. And now let's get our video started. Hello everyone, welcome to the day 12 of the CMAT special workshop, where we'll be discussing the important tips for the general knowledge and the quant section of the examination. So far we have studied a lot, and now it's time for us to figure out what are the essential things in which we need to focus on. So right now this was our way of learning. Now we need to convert it into focused form of learning for the CMAT examination. So ऐसा करने के लिए हमें जानना पड़ेगा कि CMAT के पेपर में exactly आता क्या है, and what exactly is the paper pattern and the set of questions you get. And again, as I mentioned it in my previous videos, I'll repeat it over here as well, that these kind of things are actually a result of a long research work done on the various previous year papers. The people who actually cracked CMAT examination, after talking to these people, I get some data and then I compile all those data together into videos and come across with this small video for you. So that's why this is a work of complete research, and therefore you need to make use of this work and save your additional time which you will spend by reading some journals, articles, or something related to CMAT, watching videos and things like that. So you can just cut short that time and just watch it for a few minutes and get the crux of the CMAT examination. So today in this video, we'll just be focusing on GK and then the quants. I have a specific video for the quants important topics for the CMAT examination, so you can refer to that as well. Most of it is already contained there, so I'll be only covering one or two additional points which I missed out on that video. Now, coming to GK, for GK of the CMAT, we know that CMAT is being conducted by NTA. Okay, so NTA is a government body, and therefore the examination always focuses primarily on the Indian questions. So, India related history, Indian geography, Indian schemes, as well as if the question is from international point of view as well, it will be between India and the international relations. Okay, like India had a recent military exercise with which country, the name of that military exercise, and if there are questions related to international mountains or something, that must be in boundary or in the close proximity of India, or some Indian personality might have gone and received some international awards, things like that. So कुछ भी हो जाए, crux India के around ही रहता है, and that makes a very international, like Indian filter for your particular questions in the GK section. Okay, that कुछ भी हो जाए इंडिया का फिल्टर लगा दो and you get a set of questions which will be most frequently asked in the CMAT examination. The next thing which you need to focus on is a special category in CMAT, which is the picture based questions. So what they will do is they will give you a picture and they will ask you to identify that person and then identify a particular aspect. ये टू लेवल क्वेश्चन कहलाता है. When we make mocks, we call these kind of questions as a two tier question. First tier is identify and then relate. That means if I give you the picture, for example, I give you the picture of a famous classical dancer, let's say Birju Maharaj, and then I'll give you the picture of Birju Maharaj, and my real question will be that which of the following dance form is he associated with? So this means the first step what you have to do is to identify the picture. So you first identify that this picture is of Birju Maharaj, and then the second part is relating that picture to the dance form, that is Kathak. So that's the two-tier question. So this is called as two-tier questions for us in the picture format. So this is a speciality of CMAT. So CMAT की जीके की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो लोगोस को, फेमस पर्सनालिटीज के बारे में थोड़ा सा check kar lena. You would be getting various websites. Now this is out of the scope, guys. I know that the IAS level GK and current affairs is much higher compared to CMAT or any other MBA examination, but they can be a source of good revision for you, like websites like Drishti IAS, Vision IAS, GK Today. ये सारे websites ऐसे हैं जिन पर आपको कैप्सूल्स मिल जाएंगे फॉर योर करंट अफेयर्स एज वेल एज फॉर स्टैटिक जीके. सो सिंस द टाइम इज लेस, you can surely go and check out those GK capsules जिनसे आपको काफी boost मिल जाएगा. Okay, so that is something about GK. And one more very essential thing which is special to GK of CMAT is the business and the finance related question. इस साल they have made the entrepreneurship and innovation a compulsory section, but उससे पहले जब ये compulsory नहीं था, then business and finance related questions काफी आते थे. Especially finance related terms were very essentially asked. Questions related to banking was also a very important section. तो आप इसे भी note कर सकते हो. Banking के sections हो गए, banking से related terms जैसे कि repo rate हो गया, okay, different kinds of ratios जैसे liquidity ratio, cash ratio, इस तरह के terms related questions भी CMAT में काफी frequently देखे गए हैं. So when you are preparing for GK, make sure कि इन 5-6 sections पे आपका 80% focus होना चाहिए. And once you complete with these sections, like make a rule that no matter how many days are left for the examination, you make it a thumb rule that from all these sections, like Indian related history, Indian geography, Indian related relations with the international, banking terms, business and finance terms related questions, आप दिन में कम से कम 40 questions पढ़ लोगे. Okay, cumulative, like together, okay, from all the sections. So 30, 40 or 50 depending upon how close you are to the examination, आप ऐसे questions प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. और ऐसे क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए रिसोर्सेज भी मैंने आपको बता दिया है. कोई भी IAS प्लेटफॉर्म उठाइए इंटरनेट से फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. यू कैन गिव द GK क्विज देयर, you can learn it from the capsules or any way which suits you better. All right, but make sure that whenever you are doing a GK quiz, you also see the answer in detail. If one word answer जान लेना is not useful, you need to read a paragraph about it and then only it will be retained in your brain. Now, this was all about the CMAT special GK. Now, quickly talking about the Quant section. So, Quant section पे एक separate video मैंने बना दी है, काफी अच्छे से detail section wise बता के कि कौन से टॉपिक ज्यादा रिपीट भी होती है, कौन सी मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड टॉपिक है. तो इसलिए उस सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को मैं यहाँ रिपीट नहीं करूंगी. यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड चेक आउट दैट वीडियो. लिंक विल बी देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. फर्स्ट कमेंट, आई बटन, एंड स्क्रीन, हर जगह मिल जाएगा. आपको बस देखना है. मैं अपने एंड से पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि आप तक सारे मटेरियल्स, रिसोर्सेज एंड इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचा दूं. बट आप ही हो वो एट लास्ट दैट मेन फिगर जिन्हें डिसाइड करना है कि उन्हें देखना है या नहीं. So talking about the quants, guys, what my personal suggestion would be for you guys in CMAT examination while dealing with the quant is DI generally thoda moderate आता है compared to your quant section, which is easy. Okay, so if you find that time speed distance के basic questions, like अगर आपने अरुण शर्मा की बुक पढ़ी है, उनके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं, तो अगर LOD 1 दैट मीन्स लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी 1 के क्वेश्चंस अगर आपसे कंफर्टेबली बन जाते हैं, देन दैट मीन्स आपका क्वांट अच्छा है एंड लाइक सो कॉल्ड अच्छा है, एंड वो सो कॉल्ड अच्छा ही सीमैट के लिए परफेक्ट है. तो अगर आपके LOD 1 के क्वेश्चंस परफेक्टली बन जाते हैं, then that's a good parameter to judge that you should go for DI first or for quant first. So make sure आप quant के जितने maximum questions उठा सकते हो and solve कर सकते हो उतने आप complete कर लो, and once you are done with the quant section you move on to the DI part. DI parts में pie chart, लाइन ग्राफ, टेबल बेस्ड चार्ट से भरा रहता है पेपर, एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन इन द DI इज परसेंटेजेस. ओके, सो अगर आपको परसेंटेजेस टेबल याद है, then DI can also turn out to be a easy section for you. मॉडरेट से हम उसे easy में शिफ्ट कर देंगे अगर आपको पता है कि 2/7 की परसेंटेज में वैल्यू क्या होती है. Okay, so if you know this, if you have learned the table, then it's way too good for you to get started with the quant preparation. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये basic calculative terms quant में और DI में आपके लिए उतना बड़ा stress नहीं है, then you can just keep it as a matter of practice that आज से लेके to the day the examination is going to take place, one day before that आप कम से कम quant के 20 questions practice कर लेना. That will be more than enough for you. ये मैं guarantee के साथ बोल सकती हूँ. 20 minutes 20 questions, 20 minutes 20 question, इतना practice कर लेना quant के लिए will be more than enough for you to crack the CMAT level of quant. All right, and in my next video I'll be telling you some important tips about the verbal section and the LR section as well. So stay tuned with the channel guys. If you are new to this channel then please subscribe to this channel, और अगर ये video अच्छा लगा तो please like कर देना. That would be really a big booster for me, as well as if you comment below and let me know how you liked it, that would be very, very much appreciated. Thank you so much for your time guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was all about it. I'll be up with more such videos. Till then, please take care of yourself, and thank you again for watching it.